Here's everything you need to know for the upcoming trading week. This is going to be a major week because we have the SK Hynix IPO, one of South Korea's largest memory chip makers and a major competitor to Micron. We're going to be watching for three other things this week. SpaceX is officially joining the Nasdaq 100, the Federal Reserve releases its latest meeting minutes, and Wall Street can finally begin publishing analyst ratings on SpaceX. So a quick recap from last week. Stocks continued pushing higher after investors grew more confident the Fed might still cut interest rates later this year after last week's jobs report. But then we saw a pullback on Thursday to end the short trading week. Now let's break this week down day by day. On Monday, SpaceX officially joins the Nasdaq 100. That means index funds tracking the Nasdaq will now own the stock. This is expected, but it's still another major milestone for the company. Tuesday could be one of the biggest days of the week. The analyst quiet period for SpaceX, allowing Wall Street analysts to finally release price targets and ratings, happens. We'll also be watching Penguin Solutions earnings, GameStop's annual meeting, and Nvidia executives speaking at the We Are Developers conference. Wednesday is all about the Fed. At 2 p.m. Eastern, we'll get the minutes from the Fed's last meeting, and investors will be looking for any clues on interest rates. It's also a busy day for AI with executives from Google, AMD, Broadcom, OpenAI, and Anthropic all speaking at the Raise Summit in Paris. Thursday will bring initial jobless claims along with earnings from PepsiCo, Simply Good Foods, and Polestar. Both PepsiCo and jobless claims will give us another read on the health of the consumer and the economy. And on Friday, Delta Airlines reports earnings before the open. Nasdaq will release its latest short interest data, and SK Hynix is expected to begin trading following its IPO at $166 per share. So the bottom line is we've got SpaceX stock maturing, more Fed data, and the SK Hynix IPO, which is going to be a huge catalyst for the entire AI and memory trade. If you're new to investing, I built a 100% free guide with everything you need to know to get started. You can go to join.sacofinancial.com/free and download it today. Be sure to hit follow so you get your weekly market outlook every single Sunday.